The year was 1924, a time when the United States was still recovering from the aftermath of World War I. The country was going through significant changes, both politically and socially. It was during this period that an unusual and humorous incident took place in the White House. A pet lion became an unexpected resident. This bizarre story began when President Calvin Coolidge received a lion cub as a gift from the mayor of Johannesburg, South Africa. The majestic creature was named Simba, which means lion in Swahili. Simba quickly became a sensation in the White House. The president's family adored the cub, and he soon became a beloved companion to President Coolidge's young sons. News of the pet lion spread like wildfire, and the public eagerly awaited updates on Simba's antics. The lion was known for his playful nature and often entertained guests with his impressive mane and regal demeanor. As Simba grew older, he required a larger space to roam. The White House staff transformed a section of the gardens into a mini wildlife sanctuary for the lion. Simba's enclosure became a popular tourist attraction, with people flocking to catch a glimpse of the magnificent creature. It was not uncommon to see visitors holding up their cameras, capturing photographs of themselves with the grand lion in the background. While Simba provided endless entertainment, another amusing incident occurred at an entirely different event: a funeral. The year was 1932, and the funeral was for a renowned politician who had passed away unexpectedly. As mourners gathered to pay their respects, an unexpected voice pierced through the solemn atmosphere. It was none other than Pete, a parrot with a penchant for swear words. Pete had somehow managed to escape from his caretaker's home and found his way to the funeral venue. Amidst the grief-stricken crowd, Pete's uncensored vocabulary created a mix of shock, laughter, and disbelief. Those in attendance were left both amused and slightly embarrassed at the parrot's unexpected outbursts. Despite attempts to silence Pete, his colorful language continued to echo throughout the funeral service, providing a much-needed moment of lightheartedness amidst the solemnity. The incident quickly spread through word of mouth and became the talk of the town. Both the pet lion in the White House and the swearing parrot at the funeral became iconic symbols of unexpected humor in history. These incidents remind us that even in the most serious and somber of moments, laughter can find a place. They showcase the peculiar and delightful aspects of human-animal interactions, leaving a lasting legacy in the annals of amusing historical tales.